There are hundreds of rare diseases that do not have treatments that can be treated with gene therapy. Our insurance companies don't like the idea of paying for $1 million treatment. But you look at these patients and what it is, these kids to go through all the healthcare providers that they do when they're in the hospital and in the emergency room, getting their MRIs, getting their anesthesia. It adds up very, very fast. And on top of that, you're also saving a child's life. On his first year well visit, he noted that Jonah's head size was off the chart. We're trying not to panic. We go and get the MRI and think nothing of it at this time. And then our neurologist calls us in and we're like, okay. We sat down and they said these results from the MRI, they are consistent with this group of diseases called mucopolysaccharidosis. Jonah is the youngest child to have ever been diagnosed asymptomatic without an older brother or sister being diagnosed first. We asked her, is this a death sentence? And she came back and she said, it doesn't have to be. The diseases right now that we never thought were possible of treating now have treatments. And that's all I needed to hear. And we went home, put Jonah down. We started Googling, went after PubMed, found the few scientists in the world that were working on Sanfilippo syndrome.
One day I was driving to work and I said, you know what, I just have to go meet Jill in person to see like, what is this biotech? Like, who is she? What's her kid like? I had never met another Sanfilippo kid. That instant bond. And it's like, you see these parents on social media, they're meeting up with other parents, they're going across state lines, they're just like, we got to connect. Like, and it's just so important for your mental health, but also for the movement itself. It has to be a numbers game that you grow and grow and grow.
These are the people that keep me going. Like, honestly, at this point, if it was just for me and my son and my husband, I would have quit. Like, this job is literally, it's killing me. It's killing me, but we got it started. We're going to finish it.
Hey, Jill, thanks so much for joining us. I know you're extremely busy trying to save our kids' lives. And we appreciate it big time in the Sanfilippo community. What you're doing is a Herculean, unimaginable task.